All right, I just got this. This is like a adjustable rod. So let's see what's in here. Adjustable rod. That's what they said. So let's put my sharp knife away before I cut myself. And get that stuff out. Put those two there. These are the things that you smush against the wall for them to stick on. Right there, right? And these are the little doohickeys that go on the end. And there are some instructions in here. So I want to show you what it is. It's an adjustable shower rod. So yeah, let's set that over there. All right, so I'm looking at this and I'm thinking that it's got these little adjustments in it. See that? So you can make it any length you want. And I think that I can make it wider like this. It follows me? Yeah. Or maybe I have to go like that. Or no, maybe I have to go like this. Like that. And now this becomes a little bit longer. You follow me? It's still kind of short though. I don't really need it that long, to tell you the truth. And when I get to where I want it, I go like that and then it doesn't move. Let me show you. So I got it where I want it, right? Now it won't move. So I can put this in here, just like that, and then I can figure out where I'm gonna put it. And once I do, I just got to get these on the end, right? I'm thinking like that. Of course, that maybe I got it. Maybe they're for different spots. All right, so that's big, right? So maybe that one goes like that, and maybe this one goes here. Oh, I think I figured it out. Look. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Now, when you put it on the wall, this goes against the wall, and that sets inside like that. You know, on both sides, so you don't have to put no nails or anything in. All you got to do is, I do believe, is just peel this back. And it's this very sticky thing that goes on there. But yeah, that's it. That's the unboxing. Now I have to show you how to put it on the wall. We figured that out, didn't we? We didn't even use the directions. That's how smart we are. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.